say hi. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just here in Mont Bellevue at Barbers Hill School.
Vibe 18 came today and spoke to our 7th and 8th graders at our campuses. It was so exciting, very engaging, very hands-on approach. Our kids just came alive. They jumped up on stage with him for doing the activities and really took home the message of what it is to make healthy, positive decisions in life.
Crazy. That stuff, I feel it. And the presentation, money for love it. Follow the rules and don't do anything. Trust me, it will backfire.